Waiting for the day, chains around my heart, but I knew I'd break away. Felt the weight of doubt, tried to pull me down, but I was never meant to stay on the ground. Now the wind is calling, feel it in my veins. No more fear, no more chains. Took the fall, learned to rise. Now I'm looking at the open skies. I was born to fly.